Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a small video about how I got the graphics on my bike so you can enjoy. There are some time lapse and some nice pictures and some cinematic shots on how the graphics ended up on the bike. So enjoy, and this is my first time applying graphics and decals on a bike. So it was kind of a challenging experience, but somehow I managed to get it done really nice. And thank you Avian graphics for doing my graphics, and it was my request which I chose the design and how the edit should go on the bike. But anyways, thank you all and enjoy the video. So when you look at the bike, mainly I have my number 40 and my Instagram out there and the Yamaha logo on the front. And in the side plates you can see the model is WR250 and Moto, the engine oil which I'm using. And in the side number plates you can see my number and my name in a nice font and my Instagram as well there. And in the tail you can see I have said Jesus is my pilot, of course, and my university logo and Yamaha Lube, the lubricants and stuff for Yamaha, and my school logo and the Yamaha logo again. And it's the same thing as this side.